Hi, welcome to the channel Learn to Earn. I'm gonna teach you how to use raw data, Excel raw data, and then how to apply vlookup formula for your dashboards. Now open new sheet. Some information which we need, I will copy from my previous raw data sheet, and I'll copy and I'll paste here. I am also mentioning the shortcut keys of the formula on the right side of the screen. So I will simply go back to the my raw data and copy the information, paste onto the sheet number 2. This data contains the information of the car dealers importing cars and how much revenue they are getting. So I will collect some information accordingly. Also, I will collect the information like year they are certified and who is certified and who is not. So I will copy the entire column. If you have so many rows, so you need to apply this formula, Control Shift and page down key, simply Control C and paste here. uh, you see the information is here. I deliberately forgot to paste copy the information like contact and the dealer's name, so I will put on the left side and insert the column here and simply paste. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the VLOOKUP formula just to get the dealer name at A3 column, and I go back to my raw data sheet and I'll copy the entire sheet. Basically it is up to you. You can copy the entire sheet, or if you know that this information lies within the desired column, so you just select those columns and rows which you need. So but I'll select A1 to 607. I607 means the I column, and the 60 means 7 means the 607 rows here. So this is a little big data. Second important information, when you select the entire data, put the comma, and if you want to select some information, definitely it would be in somewhere in the any column. So the column numbering is important. For example, I need let's suppose my information in this ninth column, like I. So I will put only 9 after the comma, and comma after this I just put true. When I enter, so I'll see simply a number, not the date. So for this I need to format my date. I just transform it into the date. Shortcut key is over here. You can simply copy and paste it down, so you'll see that some information here. As I've already told you that for the long data, for example, if we have thousands of rows, so this copy paste function will not work. So I need to copy the entire sheet, sorry, entire column, and paste this information. I will show you in detail later on. Before this, I would like to tell you one thing, that you can format your data, format your sheet. For example, you just scroll down here and select whatever you want. You can choose any format, whatever you want. But important thing is you select that kind of format which is visible for others to whom you show the data, and even for you, because you need this data for further purposes. So here I can show you simple 2 or 3 kind of formats. Okay, here I will extract the only year information on the left, and I will insert a column for the certification year purpose. I will just put this equal to sign and click on the date. I'll see the simply date here. Now I will go again to customize my information. So I will just click the more information below here. You'll see the custom option, and once you go to the custom option, you will see here is the custom. Click on it and see below this I have just only here information here. So I'll click on it. If you want any kind of information in any kind of format, you can click on. See here we have only year information here. Now if I want to copy this formula on the entire column, so I will simply Control Shift and O. I see I have selected the entire column. So if you want to limit your column, so you need to select the uh, left or right column and see where data lies. So I will just put some mark. You can use X or whatever you want. This is just a marking. When you will select entire column, so you will only select the information where data is. So I'll now see the entire column has selected. Copy paste simply, and I'll keep the format of my right kind of data. So here are some not available option here, because some of the dealers are not certified. So this is very good for us. Now if you want to make a dashboard, and I want to keep some names of dealers and want to see the revenues. I have information, the certification on the left, and I want to see what revenue they are generating. So I simply apply the vlookup formula on the same sheet. You can use a multiple formula on the same sheet for your dashboard. I just equal to vlookup comma and a3. Here's the information. My dealer name is on the left. So again, I'll select the entire sheet. After the comma, again put the comma and count where the information is. So I will uh, put the number of the column and simply click the true. Now see, when I enter, this is not available. So if I copy or just put the name of my dealer here, so you will see the revenue of my customer is here. Maybe the not the customer, maybe the potential, but yes, you can get the information for your future prospects. Now if I want to make 4 or 5 or 10 list of the dealers and along with their revenue, so when I copy paste it here, to see on the right, the information is not same. So what is the problem here? I want to tell you one important thing. Whenever you're using the large data, so you need to lock your formula. So to lock the formula, you just need to put $ before the alphabet and before the numeric, and keep it in mind which data you want to hold or lock. So I want to lock my entire sheet. Basically my entire sheet formula is also shifting. I want to shift the formula of only car dealers and their revenues, but I don't want to shift the entire sheet formula. So I will transform or my middle formula, which is mentioned in the red. So see, I will put $, and when I put the $ and enter the formula, so you see the revenue is on my right. When I copy paste the revenue, so see, because the name on the left is same, so the revenue are same. So I want to select some other custom dealers and want to see their revenues. So I will simply copy paste their names and put into the column, into the rows in dealer column. So you see on the right the revenues are changing. So here, hope you will like it, and if you like, so please subscribe for more videos having formulas and techniques on Excel. Thank you so much.